I think one of the things that UCSB is known for is their undergrad engagement and really pulling undergrads into research.
The value of hands-on research is priceless. These kind of experiences give them a lot of confidence.
Most of the professors I've seen are very willing to have undergrads come in and help out with their research.
I feel like I'm part of the team. I'm not just some undergraduate who doesn't know anything, but that I'm a scientist.
For those students who want to have access to world-class research, the faculty at this university are world-class researchers.
Being able to be an acting part of a research paper was really cool for me.
These experiences that let you get hands-on, let you get boots on the ground fieldwork, allows you to develop a skill set that's going to be important when you're looking for actual job.
It's a completely different experience. Being in the field, learning these things.
I think it sets you up for the future. If you find your passion, UC Santa Barbara has a place for it.